Chief Meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
It has been one cloudy West Texas day, but with the clouds so prevalent across the area, you know moisture is in place. Here's what we're dealing with, just a complete blanket of cloud cover showing up right now outside, and with those clouds sticking around, we do have the moisture. We just need some lift to take place. Well, you don't have to go too far to check out the lift. We head just over towards New Mexico, where we already are dealing with some rainfall taking shape right along into the heart of New Mexico, and all of that's going to continue to filter its way into the South Plains. Now, this is a typical low that we do normally end up seeing rainfall out of. It's just how much or how little rainfall will we receive. So we're going to get to that, but right now, yes, there is rainfall in our area. It's just got to slowly move its way towards the South Plains. Temperatures right now on the chilly side, but at the same time, we're a little spoiled because it has been so incredibly warm. 60 degrees coming in the hub, 68 in Midland, Amarillo, 54 degrees, and then you just head right over towards Albuquerque, where they are receiving some rainfall, coming in at 67. In your backyard, we do have cooler air, obviously to the north in those upper 50s, and then down to the south, we are dealing with the mid to lower 60s. These numbers are going to go up in the next few days, but we're just going to have to wait it out a little bit. Winds are still helping us out. We do have those winds coming in out of the east-southeast, drawing in that moisture. With that being said, we've got moisture. We're continuing to have that moisture take place across the South Plains. And then we've got the system in New Mexico, which will move its way into our area. So it's bringing moisture and it's bringing some lift. So the wind speeds, well, they're going to continue to stick around out of the southeast, really helping us out into the overnight hours and into early morning. At times, winds will get a little on the gusty side. We're looking for wind gusts to be around 25 to 35 miles per hour as we head further into the overnight hours. Then we head into Wednesday right around 1 o'clock, around lunchtime. Winds are really going to begin to push in from the south, sustained at 30 miles per hour, gusts getting closer to 45 to 50. So overnight, let the kids know they may wake up to some noise because we are anticipating those winds to stay with us. And then tomorrow is going to be a very windy day, especially in the afternoon. All of that's going to take shape. We head further on into our Thursday. Winds are going to shift out of the west, drawing in dry conditions and drawing in some hot conditions on top of that, where we could be discussing some blowing dust and dirt in our near future. Here's what we're looking at, though. Everyone wants to know. Let's talk about the rain. Skip the other stuff. The rain's important, and yes, it is. We are dealing with some anticipated rainfall right along the Texas-New Mexico state line, starting in the early morning hours, right around 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. That is slowly going to push its way off towards the east. As it does, this particular model is anticipating that it's going to begin to break up, and we're going to be dealing with cells developing elsewhere, and then we're going to have some lighter rainfall in the midst of that, and it's going to continue to push its way up towards I-27. That does include, obviously, the hub city up towards Health Center, Plainview up into Amarillo, where we are looking to see some heavier bands at times. Then that's going to continue to push its way off into the rolling plains, where it is looking to really lighten up when it comes to rainfall. But as far as the rain is concerned, we're looking to see it. As far as rain totals are concerned, it depends on your location. This is what is being anticipated right now as far as this particular model. Less than 1/10 of an inch in the hub as well as in the Plainview. That's what we saw yesterday with this same model. We have another model to look at. It has went down a lot when it comes to those rain totals. This one was showing us 1/2 inch yesterday. Now it's showing us no rainfall in the hub. And down towards Snyder, showing us practically nothing, just a trace, and around 1/10 of an inch over towards Childress. We've got one more we want to show you, where it is anticipating a little higher number when it comes to those rain totals. Remember, this is just forecasted models. This is not what is going to happen exactly. This is just what we are looking at. As far as those three models are concerned, I'm leaning more towards this one because we are looking to see more rainfall right up and along I-27, and by the grace of God, because we've been praying for rain, we're going to see something. We're praying that we do see more than that. I know our farmers desperately do need it, and we need to get out of this drought. So tomorrow we are looking to see that rainfall taking shape overnight and into tomorrow. By the latter portion of the afternoon, it's moving out and we're drying out, we're clearing up. Temperatures will get up to 75 degrees. But do note, if you're one of the ones that do receive more rainfall than others, your temperature will not be as high as 75. You'll be in the lower 70s. Heading into Thursday, West Texas winds, they kick it up again. We're looking to get back close to 80 degrees, if not in the 80s around the area. We head further into Friday, a lot of sunshine, 76 degrees for the high. Saturday is looking to be a very nice day, 73. And then you head into Sunday, we're back in the 80s. So it's going to make today's weather not seem so shabby because we are warming up very nicely. But it's spring, so we're on that roller coaster ride. But yes, rainfall is still in our forecast. We are anticipating to see some. Right now, the amounts are varying, and a lot of the model runs are having the amounts slightly lower than what they were before. If you remember yesterday, the pattern of the rainfall was coming in, from the southwest, pushing up to the northeast. This time around, things are transferring mainly just eastward.
Eastward. Okay. Well, no matter what, let's just get some.
Somebody's going to get it.
We get some rain, I'm going to be pretty happy about it.
Me and you both.